Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today also we are going to take some problems on heat equation. So problem is solve dabba u by dabba t is equal to dabba square u by dabba x square if u is finite for all values of t. U of 0t equal to 0, u of pi t equal to 0 means when x is equal to length is pi, then the temperature is 0, and initial temperature at time t equal to 0, that is u of x0 given a pi x minus x square if x lies between 0 to pi. So we know that general solution of heat equation is u of xt is equal to c4 cos mx plus c5 sin mx into e to the power minus c square m square t. This is say equation 1. Now we have to find first c4 here. So using second condition here, because temperature is finite, that is first condition given here. So from second condition कौन सा भी प्रॉब्लम रहा x इक्वल टू 0 के लिए c4 फाइंड करो. u of 0t इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू मीन्स पुट x इक्वल टू 0 here c4 plus 0 into e to the power minus c square m square t, but e to the power minus c square m square t is not equal to 0, and therefore c4 equal to 0. If we get c4 equal to 0, then we get temperature u of xt is equal to c5 sin mx into e to the power minus c square m square t. This is a equation 2. Now our target is m, and how we find m? Using next condition, that is from third condition here. Third condition, in this problem conditions are given in problem. So third condition, u of pi t equal to 0. So u of pi t equal to 0 equal to, in equation 2 put x equal to pi, that is c5 sin m pi into e to the power minus c square m square t. So again here, since c5 into e to the power minus c square m square t is not equal to 0, and therefore sin m pi equal to 0, and we know that sin n pi is 0 for all values of n, means n is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, so here m pi is equal to n pi implies m equal to n. Put m equal to n in equation 2, put in 2, and therefore equation 2 becomes u of xt is equal to c5 sin nx into e to the power minus c square n square t. Here n equal to 1 2 3 and so on. So same here, if you put n equal to 1 2 3 and so on, then is c5 constant vary हो जाएगा for each value of n. So if we combine all values here, combining all values, then we will get u of xt is equal to, age constant is c5, we can write in summation form, that is summation of n varies from 1 to infinity. c5 becomes bn sin nx into e to the power minus c square n square t. This is say equation 3. Now what is summation of bn sin n pi x by l? So this is the half range sine series. So how we find bn? By using half range sine series. एंड हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज में हम क्या करते थे, सिर्फ बी एन फाइंड करते थे. तो बी एन क्या होता था, बी एन इज इक्वल टू 2 बाई एल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0 टू एल एफ ऑफ एक्स साइन n pi x by l into dx. So this is the formula how we find bn. Okay, but instead of f of x here, temperature given a u of xt. So when we find this, if we, for that we have to use condition number 4 first, and condition number 4 is, before starting this you write here from fourth condition u of x0. What is u of x0? u of x0 given a pi x minus x square is equal to summation of n varies from 1 to infinity bn sin nx into e to the power 0 1 हो जाएगा. And summation of bn sin nx means summation of bn sin n pi x by l form a. So this is the half range sine series, and if half range sine series is there, then we have to find bn using this formula. So using condition number 4, x lies between 0 to pi given here. So x lies between 0 to pi. Now 0 to pi, if we compare with 0 to l, then we get here l equal to pi. So bn, how we write? Bn is equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi. Now what is f of x? F of x is this function, that is pi x minus x square into sine of l equal to pi. If we put here pi get cancelled, sin nx dx. Now we have to integrate this and then put upper lower limit. So how we find integration of this pi x minus x square into sin nx? Using integration by part, generalized rule of integration by part. So take u is equal to pi x minus x square and v is equal to sin nx, and we know that this formula, integration of u into v dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus so on. Here dashes indicates derivative and suffixes indicates integration. So this is equal to 2 by pi into, first keep u as it is, that is pi x minus x square into v1, integration of sin nx is minus cos nx upon n, minus u dash, derivative of pi x minus x square is pi minus 2x into v2. v2 is integration of v1, means integration of this term is minus sin nx upon n into n square plus u double dash, derivative of pi minus 2x is minus 2 into integration of this v2 is, that is integration of sine is minus cos, so this minus minus plus cos nx upon n into n square is n cube, and limit varies from 0 to pi here. So if you put upper lower limit here, this is equal to 2 by pi into bracket x equal to upper limit, first put kiya pi, so pi into pi square minus pi square into this minus sign cos n pi by n. Okay, this minus is plus, here pi minus 2 pi into sin n pi by n square, and here minus 2 into cos n pi by n cube. So this is the upper limit. Lower limit, if you put x equal to 0, so this is 0 into cos 0 means minus sign, and this lower limit minus, that is plus 0 into cos 0, that is 0, here minus plus pi minus 0 into sin 0 upon n square, and here minus a lower limit minus, that is plus 2 into cos 0 upon n cube. So this pi square minus pi square is 0, and we know that sin n pi is 0 for all values of n. So this is equal to 2 by pi into, this is 0, cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, so minus 2 into minus 1 raised to n upon n cube. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, plus 2 upon n cube. So we can take 2 by n cube common here, and this 2 by pi write as it is. So 2 by n cube, if we take common, instead of 2 by n cube write here 1, here minus sin a, minus 1 to the power n. So bn is 4 upon n cube pi into 1 minus 1 to the power n. So put the value of bn in equation 3, means here. Then we will get final answer, that is u of xt is equal to summation of n varies from 1 to infinity. Bn is 4 upon n cube pi in bracket 1 minus 1 raised to n into sin nx e to the power minus c square n square t. So this is the final answer. So next problem is same, you do at home. Solve the equation u by t equal to a square into square u by x square, where u of xt satisfies the following condition. First condition given a u of 0t is equal to 0. Second condition is u of lt is equal to 0, means length a capital L given. Third condition, initial temperature given a u of x0 is equal to x if x lies between 0 to L by 2 and L minus x if x lies between L by 2 to L. And fourth one, given a u of x infinity is finite, means temperature is always finite at t tends to infinity. So problem is same only for Bn. Interval given is 0 to L, means L equal to L here, and 0 to L we have to split in two parts for integration, that is 0 to L by 2 and plus L by 2 to L. In 0 to L by 2 use function x, and in L by 2 to L use function L minus x. Then next problem is also same. Solve dabba u by dabba t equal to dabba square u by dabba x square if u is finite for all t. Subject to the condition first, u of 0 t equal to 0 degree, u of L t equal to 0, and initial temperature given a u of x0 is equal to 50 if x lies between 0 to L. So you try these two problems at home. If you have any doubt, then comment me in comment section. Thank you. In next video we will start wave equation. Thank you.